Hello everybody. In this video I want to show this amazing new feature that comes with Excel 2013, and it is the possibility of doing a distinct count of the elements that are present inside a dataset in a normal Excel pivot table without using formulas, tricks or other fancy things. Here I have this nice dataset. You can download it from the Microsoft web page that has the download link for the GeoFlow. Let me show you. Open the web page and scroll down at the bottom of the page and find these sample datasets, and the one that I'm using is the last one. So let's switch back to Excel. This dataset summarizes the United States electric power growth for the last century. In this table you can find the state, the county, the name of the company that runs the power plant, the name of the power plant itself, and some other data like the capacity in megawatts and the source of energy from which the electricity is obtained, like water, nuclear, oil, etc. Let's say that we wanna count the unique number of companies that operates this power plant for each state. Go to the Insert tab, then go to Insert New Pivot Table. Inside the new pivot table box, select the range or the table in which your data it is placed. In this case, my data is inside a standard table, a standard Excel table, and the name is the standard name that Excel gives to the table when you create it. We select new worksheet because we wanted to create this pivot table inside a new worksheet, and then at the end, at the bottom of the create a pivot table box, check, very important, add this data to the data model, and then click OK. Excel adds a new worksheet inside which there is a new pivot table. First, we insert the state field inside the rows area. Then we drag the company field inside the values area. As you can see, Excel understands that the company field contains text and automatically inserts the calculation count. But this kind of count it's completely useless for our purpose, because it counts all the records for each state without considering the duplicates. But don't forget that we are in Excel 2013, and that one here is not a normal pivot table. This is a data model pivot table. It has an amazing new feature that we can use to count the unique company names for each state with only a couple of clicks. To show the difference between the normal count and the distinct count, let's drag a second time the company field inside the values area. By this time, select this little triangle at the right side of the field name, and inside the contextual menu, select value field. Inside the value field settings, scroll down until you find the distinct count option and select it, and click OK. Another column is created, and now you can see the difference between the two columns. Let's examine for example the Washington DC state. In the first column we have you can see 17, and in the second column you can see only 1. To see what's going on inside this calculation, let's switch back in the table and let me apply a filter to show only the records for the Washington DC state. And here the magic it is revealed. If we select the companies for the Washington DC state, we see that there are 17 records, but it is always the same company. So if we do a unique count on this record, the unique count will be 1. So at the end of this video, remember this amazing new feature available in the data model, the distinct count option. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.